This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics while acting fast. Plug the mouse into a different USB port and test a wired connection if possible to isolate wireless issues. Once done, swap fresh batteries or fully charge the device and make sure power-saving modes are off. Open Task Manager and close apps consuming CPU or network. This reduces input lag from system load. These steps diagnose connection versus system causes, so you don't chase the wrong problem next. Now focus on drivers and settings because they directly affect response. Update or reinstall the mouse and USB hub drivers in Device Manager, then reboot. After reboot, open pointer settings. Set speed to a comfortable level and disable Enhance Pointer Precision to avoid smoothing. If you have vendor software, set polling rate to 500 or 1000 HC for consistent sampling. Make sure firmware is current. Firmware often fixes embedded timing issues that drivers alone cannot resolve. Finish by optimizing the wireless environment and confirming the fix. Move the receiver closer with a USB extension and keep it line of sight to the mouse. Metal and electronics like phones and routers create interference, so reposition them. Once done, test different surface materials or use a mouse pad engineered for tracking. If lag persists, test the mouse on another PC to prove hardware fault and perform a factory reset or contact support. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, swapping the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.